Wow guys, ang sarap talagang kumain guys, lalo na sa nakapalibutan ka ng mga orchids mo at saka meron kang halaman guys sa maliit mong patio guys. This rolled oats quaker quick cook quaker oats. So delicious for the morning guys. Cookie, you wanna eat? No. It's all right. I can give you a share, a little share, but I have to search if you're allowed to eat this, okay? Ang sarap guys. Ang sarap pag maraming cinnamon. Breakfast na yan guys. Kain tayo.